I got on my hands and knees and crawled across the floor like a toddler. It was humbling to say the least, and quite challenging. But somewhere in the middle of feeling like I had no idea what I was doing, I honestly felt more powerful than I had in years. And here's what I know about you. If you're watching this, you're the kind of woman that will try something unconventional if it means you'll feel extraordinary in your body. Stick with me because what I'm showing you in this video goes beyond a workout. Some days it's just really challenging to move, but I made a commitment to myself that I'm going to do the best that I can to persevere, move when I can, and that's why I'm making this video. Let me demonstrate these 6 moves that were inspired by this video from this YouTube channel, Moves Method, that made crawling look magical. Stay tuned. The first move is called forward crab, and this addresses hip flexion, ankle mobility, and wrist integrity. And this is the move that definitely tells you where your body has been hiding in stiffness. And this move just reconnects your body with its original blueprint, and while it's hard, it really feels good. The second move is called side crab, and this is where your lateral power comes in. It also addresses knee stability, super important, and agility. And if you think about it, we move forward and backward constantly, but we almost never move laterally, at least with any real intention. And this move keeps you quick, stable, and confident in your body. Move 3 is called the quadrupedal walk, and this involves cross-body coordination and spinal mobility. This was super challenging, I'll be honest, but I like how it requires my left brain to coordinate with my right body and vice versa simultaneously. Move 4 is the forward skirt, and this is for your posterior chain, the entire back of your body that gets tougher to address with each passing decade. It works your shoulders, your spine, your glutes, the backs of your legs. Talk about a power move, but it's still feminine. Move 5 is the sideways skirt, and this targets hip strength, your obliques. I don't know about you, but I want to do everything in my power to avoid a hip replacement later in life, and this move gives you that kind of hip stability that makes everything else easier, like walking. And if you're looking for more ab definition but want to steer clear of traditional sit-ups, this is it. Move 6 is the handstand kick up, and to this day I can't do a traditional handstand. How about you? And this is really challenging for me too. This focuses on inversion and balance and helps you to reclaim resilience, not only in your body but in your life. The original video I watched talked about finding confidence in chaos, and this move is the epitome. I think these 6 moves reclaim things that age slowly tries to take away from you. 1 is mobility in your hips, shoulders, and spine. 2, strength and coordination, the kind that makes your body come alive again. And 3, resilience. A strong body breeds a strong mind, and with that, it's so much easier to traverse anything. Please join me in my quest to not blindly hand my body over to age. It's definitely a commitment, but it's also a choice. And even if you have pain like me, you do what you can when you can, and you modify. I could have taken the original video I watched that inspired me to do this one and been like, no, that's too much, I can't do that. I watched it, I modified where I could, and maybe within time I'll be as good as the woman I saw originally doing it. That's the attitude I'm trying to take. Save this video, try it tonight, maybe share it with a friend, and please let me know if you'd like more videos like these. Thanks so much for watching.